Have you ever told yourself, I'll start tomorrow? But tomorrow never comes. That's procrastination, the silent killer of dreams. The good news: you can break free from it. Today, I will show you how to stop procrastination and start taking real action. What is procrastination? Procrastination is not laziness, it's avoidance. You don't avoid work, you avoid discomfort. Example: you delay studying, not because you hate learning, but because you fear failing. Line for impact: procrastination is the grave where opportunities are buried. Why do we procrastinate? 1. Fear of failure. What if I can't do it? 2. Perfectionism, waiting for the perfect moment. 3. Overwhelmed task feels too big, so we delay it. 4. Instant gratification, choosing Netflix, scrolling, or comfort instead of growth. How to stop procrastination. 1. The 2-minute rule. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Example: sending an email, drinking water, picking up a book. 2. Break tasks into small steps. Don't try to study 5 hours. Read 1 page. Small wins create momentum. 3. Set deadlines. Work expands to the time you give it. Short deadlines equal faster action. 4. Remove distractions. Keep phone away, block social media, create a focused space. 5. Reward yourself. After completing a task, give yourself a treat. The brain loves rewards, builds habit. A mindset shift. Winners don't wait for motivation. They act first and motivation follows. Action, progress, motivation, more action. Stop asking, do I feel like it? Instead say, I will do it, and I'll feel like it. Line for impact: you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Daily action plan against procrastination. Morning: write your top 3 tasks on paper. Use Pomodoro technique: 25 minutes work, 5 minutes break. End of the day: review what you finished. Sleep with a plan for tomorrow. Real-life stories. Leonardo da Vinci, known for procrastinating but completed timeless works by breaking tasks into small steps. Elon Musk divides his day into 5 minutes, lots, no room for delay. Students and entrepreneurs who beat procrastination by scheduling and acting instead of overthinking. Procrastination will steal your future if you let it. The only cure is action. Stop waiting for the perfect day, because that day is today. Break your tasks into small steps. Use the 2-minute rule and remind yourself progress is more important than perfection. Remember, procrastination makes easy things hard and hard things impossible. Action makes impossible things possible. So stop waiting and start doing, because your future self is counting on you. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine your future self 5 years from now. Who do you see? Someone living the same routine, delaying the same tasks, still waiting for the right moment? Or do you see a stronger, more confident version of yourself, who looks back and says, I'm proud I started when I did? The truth is, every single day you have two choices: either you choose comfort, or you choose growth. Comfort gives you temporary relief, but growth gives you a lifetime of achievement. The gap between who you are today and who you want to become tomorrow is filled with one simple thing: action. Think about the people you admire, the ones who changed the world, the ones who built businesses, wrote books, discovered new ideas, or transformed their lives. None of them had extra hours in their day. They had the same 24 hours that you and I have. The difference? They refused to waste it. And here's something powerful: the more you delay, the heavier your dreams become. They don't disappear, they sit on your shoulders as guilt, regret, and self-doubt. But the moment you act, even on the smallest step, that weight begins to lift. Suddenly, your dreams stop being a burden and start becoming your reality. So ask yourself, how many dreams will you let die in the shadow of procrastination? How many chances will you let slip just because you said, not today? The world does not reward intentions, it rewards execution. From this very moment, promise yourself not tomorrow, not next week, not someday, but today. Right now, you will take action, because your future self is waiting. And every step you take today is building the life you will live tomorrow. Remember, this procrastination is a thief, but action is a creator. The question is simple: will you let the thief steal your life? Or will you become the creator of your destiny? So tell me, what is the one thing you've been delaying for too long, and are you ready to finally take action on it today?